Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1033 of 1415 SP Authentic. The last that ended in this break was the Edmonton Oilers on July 16th at 6:21 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So to our current day and time. I think I'll refresh here soon. Got an error issue showed up. It's like breakers froze, huh? There we go. So eBay current day and time. We'll refresh again. So it's currently Friday, July 17th at 12:42 a.m. Eastern time. So for anybody that hasn't registered on our breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Normally just a register account there, and you can normally see everything in the queue, which does get posted along right here on upcoming breaks. And we are on breakers. Hopefully it's not lagging anymore. Oh, there we go. Working properly now. 1033. And our serial number tonight is NE241231010 and 0297. Those are our second set numbers. So 0310 and 0297. Let's go over the rest of our shrink wrap here. And just go over the top. It's sealed. Okay, so we're just going to turn you guys around here, and we will show you serial numbers one more time. Get started here. So sorry about the lag on breakers there. We are trying to just process the other breaks that we already completed. So 0310. Good luck, everybody. And then also just a reminder for the people that's new to breaking with us, so regarding SPA, so the moment cards, the retro base, and then the update base cards normally aren't shipped. If you do want them, all we ask you to do is to cover postage. If you have a hit going out to you, we will include them in your package, or if you have one going out this week. So here we go. Hey, Irv. So here we go, everyone. So our first one is a Brandon DeFazio, 219 of 999, going out to the Canucks. Got Dennis Savard, retro base. How's the stream, guys? It looks like it's lagging on my screen. The people on live and breakers.
The internet keeps disconnecting.
So we have a Future Watch of Class Dalbec, 159 of 999, going out to the Blackhawks. So the Denny Savard we will include with the package there. And base. And it doesn't look like there is spacer here. It's just short base cards. And we have a Johan Franzen retro base for the Red Wings. This one feels like it's short pack cards too. We have a moment for the pre-96 Jets. So we got Teemu Selanne. So if Coyotes do get hit, we will include that in your package. Matt Bolesky, update base. Hey, Tom. A feature watch of Josh Joris. Come on. Josh Joris for the Flames. Sorry, I'm just going to prop the camera up just a little bit more, guys. I don't know what's going on with the focusing there. Next one is a Young Guns of Adam Clendenning. Going out to the Vancouver Canucks. Yep. With a Moments, Bobby Orr. And Shea Weber, retro base. This card. And I think this is our first auto. Is a Future Watch auto of Patrick Nemeth, $9.99 for the Dallas Stars. Base. Got a Jaromir Jagr update base for the Panthers. Base. Looks like we got another spin pack here. As long as we don't get short in auto, that's all that counts. Got a retro base for the Avalanche, Jerome McGinley. Oops. Iggy. Oh, it's the redemption. Oh. Decoy. And the redemption. Nice. Going out to the Calgary Flames. We have a SP Authentic Premier Chirography auto numbered at 75 of Johnny Gaudreau. So very nice hit there going out to Calgary. So whoever is the Flames, I can eBay message you the code if you like. Or we can send it out with, I think that Josh Joris hit too, so let me know. Next one is a dual Moments with Chris Chelios, Dominic Hasek. One is for Detroit. And they won the cup there. That's two autos. I'm making sure we get our three, so we're not short an auto, which is a bonus. So we got Future Watch auto of Yuri Seacat, $9.26 of $9.99 for the Canadiens still. And then decoy. We got shorted a lot of base cards in this box. Next one is a Moments of Tomas Hertl for the Sharks. Moments, Corey Crawford for the Blackhawks. So I'm going to see if we can try processing again on our other break there. Unless it's going to keep lagging. And this one is Steve Larmer, retro base. This is actually the first one of these I've seen. Steve Larmer, retro base. I wonder if some of these base cards have SPs or not, but that's the first one I've seen of him. First time saying his name anyways. We got Future Watch of Scott Harrington, $9.99. Penguins. I guess just out of the first whack of cases we've done, he just kind of looted us. Got a update base of Brandon Saad for the Chicago Blackhawks. And we have a Premier Prospects of Teuvo Teravainen for the Chicago Blackhawks. I wonder if it's because I'm processing. Like, every time I don't know. Because I wonder if it beefs up my stream app or something like that after. So let's give me 1 second, guys. Just moving our base cards over. And we'll start box number 2. 0297. But I am streaming still too, right? You didn't have that problem before, though, eh?
No, I usually did. I think. I don't know.
Wait, On to number 2. Okay, so here we go, guys. And we have ourselves a Moments going out to the Edmonton Oilers. We got Wayne Gretzky and Walter. So Gretzky, most regular season games played is with the Oilers, and then his father never played, and he's pretty much kind of like a fanboy. So pretty much favorite team whenever his son was playing. So they have a future watch of Tyler Wotherspoon, $9.99 for the Flames. Base. Got Theo Fleury, retro base for the Flames. Got a Moment, Brian Leach for the Rangers. Base. Next one is a update base of Michael Hutchinson for the Winnipeg Jets. We have a future watch of Brody Sutter, 162 of 9.99 for the Hurricane. Base. There we go. Throw small little pieces away. And we have ourselves a Young Guns rookie of Tyler Goudet, the Coyotes. We got Moments of Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. Got a future watch of Brandon Gormley, $9.99 for the Coyotes. And we have ourselves a update base of Anton Vermette for the Blackhawks. Base. On to our last 10 packs of the break. And we have ourselves a Young Guns of Julian Bruelette. I'm going to have to actually look up his name. He comes with Tyler Goudet in almost every single box. We have a Moment of Jonathan Toews for the Chicago Blackhawks. Base. Next one is a Sign of the Times of Calvin Pickard, going out to the Avalanche. Calvin Pickard. And Martin Brodeur for the St. Louis Blues. Next one is a retro base of Mary Lemieux. And nice. Going out to the Florida Panthers, we have a future watch auto of Aaron Ekblad. Aaron Ekblad, $9.99. Mr. Rookie of the Year. Got a update base, Keith Yandel, the Rangers. Got a all-time moments, Jaromir Jagr for the Penguins. Premier prospects of Evgeny Kuznetsov for the Caps. Base. And our third auto going out to the Calgary Flames of Corbin Knight. And that one's number 444 of 9.99. Going out to Calgary. Nice break for Calgary. And a fourth auto, we got Timu Pokinen, Future Watch auto, going out to the Red Wings, 590 of 999. I think he signed as a free agent somewhere, I think, unless he re-signed with the Red Wings. Base. For some reason, I think he re-signed with somebody else. And final pack, let's just say retro base, Bobby Clark, the Flyers on base. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we do have double SPA tomorrow and box 6 of Cup from the case.